Hi everyone, let's create this presentation. It's similar to the last presentation we created, but it has little differences that make it better to look. Okay, let's start. At first, we need to create the background. For the background, we had a new slide format background, and from here we insert the picture, and after that apply to all. Okay, now we have the picture. We need to create this text and this text. For creating this effect, it's important to write the text leaf. For example, let's create a text box. Let's write leaf. Okay, then select it, middle it, change the font to Overdrive Sunset. Sorry, let me write it again. I don't know what I do. The mouse is sleeping. Okay, Overdrive Sunset. Increase the font. Let me change the color for you to see. Now we need to centralize that. But before doing that, we need to create a effect. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we are going to reduce their size one by one. Okay, at first, the second one, we need to reduce their size. Let's go for the last one. For the last one, we select all of them, set the font size to 100. So we can increase them from the 100, 125, no, 150 is good, 150. The next one, if we can select it, you can select it easily like this, 200. And the last one, 250. Okay, we create the effect we want. Let me bring it now. Now select all of them, go to shape format, align them center. Now for the color, we are going to text option and use the gradient fill color. And for the colors, we are going to use this green. And from the left to right, we are going to use the greens in order. This green, from the dark to the light, and the lightest one. You see we create a little good nice shadow effect here. Now we copy that. In this slide we select all of them and we align them center, align them middle. You see we have a problem. This is not we want them to look. So how we can fix them? The first thing we need for fixing them is to creating order. For the order, we need to bring this to front, bring this to front, and bring this thing to front. Okay, now we copy that. Here we select all of them and make them all 250, and then go to shape or align them center and align them middle. Bring them up, copy the text, paste it here. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's have a look. It's looking as amazingly as possible. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, bye.